Hey guys, how's it going? It's Kogan570 here, and today I'm just gonna talk about my spring action Nerf guns. So first we have the the Nerf Zombie Strike Sledge Fire. You can read that, can you? Wait, let me just turn it around. There it is, Sledge Fire. You can read that. There's Nerf, and then I'll be practicing this, like bang bang this in another video, but I have to explain that. I don't have to. So next we have the Nerf Zombie Strike Sling Fire. It basically does this. Give me a sec. So you have this, the sling, and then you pull it back, then you shoot. You heard that, right? So if I'll just dry shoot this. So this is hard to operate with one hand. So you pull this back, and then you pull the thing down. Then you put the shell in with 3 bullets in, and it's hard to operate with one hand. Blech. There you go. And then it's ready to fire. And it's gonna shoot 3 bullets at once, like a shotgun would. Like this is what I actually appreciate from shotgun. See, you heard that? Kind of loud bang, but still. So next we have the Recon CS6. I used to have the blue version of this one, the Nerf Elite version, but I can't remember the name. So you pull this back, and then the back will tell you when it's primed, when it's orange, because when it's not primed, it's black. It doesn't tell you if it has a bullet in it. So, and then it's ready to fire. And then here for the Nerf Elite Long Strike. I can't see where it says it, but I remember it says Long Strike. So it's kind of like a real sniper. So there's the flip up sight. There's a flip up iron sight here. Also same with the, you can like put it down, put it up. So that's a flip up iron sight. This one, these screws don't even work. That's a bummer. But you know, not all Nerf guns will be the same thing. So this is bolt action. So you pull it back. It's still spring, so it doesn't really so it's not really that motorized. There you go. So that's all the Nerf guns I have. Sorry for the toys around here. They're just my brothers. So those are all the spring action guns I have. I will tell you the crossbow spring actions in the next video. Freeze! Why did I take a picture? Oh, why did I take a picture? Oh, I hate that. Free. Okay, let's do it again. Free.